We know that leaders like you face challenging decisions every day. Understanding the risk of investing or the risk of not investing in people, facilities, or capital equipment may be the difference in winning or losing in your business. We are committed to helping leaders like you create healthy work environments for your hardworking people. As a manufacturer of semi-custom HVAC equipment, we understand this risk because we face the very same challenge. Cambridge exists to glorify God by enriching the quality of every life we touch. And the services we provide manufacturing and warehousing leaders is all about helping you to enrich the lives of your people working inside industrial facilities. We strive to make the products and services we provide align with our Why We Exist statement. There are tremendous physical health benefits for bringing in fresh outside air into your facility. Your people perform better when their bodies receive fresh, clean air. Your facility processes, including compressors, ovens, forklifts, and exhausts, can hurt your healthy work environment. Partnering with Cambridge Air Solutions is more than buying a heating and cooling system. We are all about creating solutions that work for your unique facility. We are not a high-pressure global conglomerate looking to sell you some off-the-shelf option. We are a family-owned, second-generation business in St. Louis that believes in creating environments where employees are safe, energized, and productive. From design analysis through production and shipment, and finally installation and startup, you can expect an extraordinary Cambridge Air Solutions experience. Whether you're seeking ventilation-driven cooling, heating, or air load balancing for process exhaust, Cambridge has multiple platforms that are ideal for improving working conditions for people. With an eye on providing thermal comfort for workers, we also help you by providing the most energy-efficient operating platforms available in the HVAC industrial segment today. Manufacturers have asked us to help them deliver cooler indoor temperatures for their people. Our two-stage evaporative cooling technology delivers fresh air to workers and uses the very same fresh air to cool workers inside the facility. This system operates at 20 to 30% of the cost structure of the most common commercial direct expansion cooling system with compressors. When you as a facility leader can deliver a 75-degree inside leaving air temperature when it's 95 degrees outside, productivity, recruiting, and retention are all improved. We want to eliminate your risk. For nearly 6 decades, we have been serving leaders in manufacturing and warehousing with our offering. We want to help you make the decision to enrich the lives of your hardworking people. Come see us, connect with us for an hour in a live or virtual tour, and see for yourself what a difference a unit produced by our greatest thinkers and our lean workers can make for your greatest thinkers and your team. A Cambridge Air Solutions tour is the perfect way to experience the difference for yourself. We will create a one-on-one experience led by a Cambridge regional manager. Our commitment is that this time will be dedicated to you and your team. We'll discuss those things that are most important to you in considering an investment in your people and your team's productivity. We look forward to meeting you.